Hello everyone, I am Oito and today I'm going to take you on a tour of Supaboard 3.0. Our latest version brings a polished UI along with super fast speeds, keeping the industry-based data accuracy intact. So let's dive down and see. So when you come onto our platform, you will be greeted with this screen where you can go ahead and ask any question from your data. Let me see what is this data now. So okay, let's go ahead and ask the question. So now Superboard can answer in 5 to 10 seconds. As you can see, it summarizes the entire data for me. Now let's get some stats out. So give me a business summary of sales metrics. So now I'm asking to summarize all my sales metrics to Superboard. And as you can see, our agent can go through all the data, write the right SQL queries, and get us the answer in no time. So as you can see, it has started the research, it is going through the steps, and here I have my summary. Okay, now let's get a quick chart for revenue by month. So okay, let's go. We have two modes in the Ask agent. We have a concise mode and we have a deep dive mode. So you can not only ask to the point metrics, numbers, and calculations, you can also ask detailed how and why questions, where you will get a report of what is going on with your business. Things like how can I improve my sales? Things like why is my revenue going down? Why do I have customer churn? You can get instant answer to all of these questions with the deep dive mode. Okay, I have my chart over here. Let's see what it has given. Great, it has given me a brand new chart and I can just go ahead and pin this onto a dashboard. So let's do that. So I'm going to go pin this. Let's select the dashboard. Okay, let's create a new dashboard. I'm going to call it sales dash and yeah, let me pin this onto the dashboard. So here I am on the dashboard that I just created, and dashboards are infinitely customizable. So I have this bar chart here, which I can, I have the column chart, which I can make a bar chart or a pie or a donut, however I want this to be. Let's keep it column for the moment. I can also add more charts over here. So I can go ahead and say I want to add a chart where I want to see my revenue split by product. So I can just go ahead and ask that. Let me add a couple more metrics to this as well. So things like, average order value, net revenue. And let me also get a table for all the orders. Okay, that's good. So let me rearrange all of this how I want. Okay, let's put it on top. Okay, let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay, great. I think we also have our summary table over here. So I'll put this over here. And as you can see, in minutes, we can literally make a dashboard. So I'm going to save this up. The best part is, we can make simple dashboards like this, but we can also make very detailed and very information dense dashboards. So I'm going to show you a sample dashboard that I've just created before recording this demo. Yeah. So here we have a dashboard that has all the data that I need to run my business from day to day. So be it about products, be it about returns. So this is the e-commerce data set. So we can analyze where am I getting most of my revenue, my sales regions, all my key metrics and everything in one place. And the best part is that every dashboard comes with an AI. So I can go ahead and ask any question. I can just ask, can you spot any monthly trends for orders? So let's see what it returns. So instead of going through every single widget and making sure I have an understanding, I can quickly just ask summarizations. So as you can see, it is giving me all of my revenue trends. It is telling me that February, there was a dip in my orders. And in December, there's a peak in my orders. And I can relate that this must be due to the festive season. So yeah, that's how you can get dashboards and you can actually get insights from your data, which will help you to take business decisions at the speed of light. So Okay, so before we wrap this up, I just have one more thing to show you. And that's how do you connect data on our platform. So to connect data, you can go to data sources. I have already connected the e-commerce data, which you just saw. But you can connect over 700 different data sources. That includes databases like Postgres, MySQL, as well as multiple business apps like Google Analytics, SAP, Meta Ads, Salesforce, and Shopify, and many, many more. So let's see how you can connect the data. You can go ahead and click on the connector that you want, and you can give the configuration, the settings, how you want it. And once you've done that, you can just quickly click on connect, and that will connect your data. So here's how your data comes up on the platform. So that's all of Supaboard for now. I'm going to make dedicated videos on deep research, how to add your business context, and many more topics. So see you there, and thanks for watching.